Well, let's go on to the geek news. Incredibles 3 has found its director in Elemental and The Good Dinosaur maker, Peter Sohn. Brad Bird, who wrote the screenplays for and directed the first two films in the animated superhero film franchise, is currently writing the screenplay for the third film, which he'll produce alongside Dana Murray. Sohn and Bird's collaboration history includes Bird's mentorship to Sohn, who worked on every animated Bird film, including The Incredibles and Incredibles 2, up until this year's Ray Gun. Sohn was specifically chosen to carry the Incredibles torch by Bird and Pixar creative chief officer Pete Docter,